What's going on, my fans? First of all, let me apologize because I haven't put on any videos. I haven't done any videos. I've been busy working and also been coming down here to Vieques, Puerto Rico to work in the house. So I haven't had a chance. So today I'm gonna go fishing with my cousin, and I'm decided to like, you know what? Let me pull the camera. Let me make a quick short video. And first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the house that I've been working on, my dad's house, our house, and we're gonna convert it into an Airbnb. So here we go. All right, so that's the kitchen. Done a lot of work in the house. Let me tell you, gotta get a new refrigerator, and I gotta tell you why. Let me tell you this quick story. A couple of months ago, I came down here to do some work in the house, went fishing with my cousin, bought some bait, some squid. And we had some left over, and then we had another trip planned a couple of days later. So I said, you know what, the refrigerator, the freezer is empty, put it there, no worries. And we did that. Guess what happened? I left, we never used it, and we had a power outage. Oh yes, completely damaged, spoiled, nasty. It still stinks a little bit. We did as much as we could to get it clean, but you know what? Decided to get a new refrigerator, and that's hopefully next month when I come back, I'm gonna take care of that. The other kitchen, gonna be putting small stove. Already been ordering stuff for the kitchen. A lot of garbage. This is one of the bedrooms. It's gonna have two beds. You can see there's a box spring and two mattress. I already have another box spring coming in, so we're gonna have two beds. It's gonna be a two-bedroom apartment. That goes to the outside. I'll show you guys later. Most of the decorations done by my son and my daughter's bathroom. That's the bathroom, and this is the other bedroom. This is gonna be one bed. Got the AC. I still gotta get the AC for the other bedroom. Sorry for the mess. I've been packing. I'm leaving tomorrow. Closet, windows, living room, a futon, and of course, what does this mean? Yep, I'm going fishing in a couple of minutes. My laptop and doing something that I started doing like I don't know, maybe a month and a half ago, and it's forex trading. It's my new hobby. Really enjoy it. Keeps me busy, and always watching my videos, YouTube videos, the people that I follow. Right now, watching Fresco channel. I've seen his videos. Gonna take you outside. There's the balcony. Just finished the painting about 2 days ago. That's the back. And there's the other side. It's my cousin's house. I think he's getting ready to go fishing. That's my cousin's house. She uses that for Airbnb as well, and my aunt's house in the back. So if you guys need Airbnb, let me know. I'm gonna see if I can find the link for her house, and I'm gonna post it on the bottom so you guys, if you guys want to go ahead and come down here, enjoy the island. It's beautiful. There's a lot of things to do. The bioluminescent bay, also the black sand beach, great food, fresh seafood, fishing, snorkeling. There's a lot to do if you come down to Vieques, and you could either catch a plane from San Juan, or you could do the ferry boat. This is the back, avocado tree, and I think a couple of things more to do. I gotta finish the painting, but I leave tomorrow, so I'll finish that when I come back. So basically, this is it. So, yes, you could tell I haven't shaved. Listen, even though I'm here working, I'm on vacation. So, but I leave tomorrow. I'll be back in November. So right now it's 1:48. We're gonna be heading out soon. We're gonna go get some bait, and we depending on the wind, we might go to a place called Punta Arena. That's on the west coast, all the way on the west coast of Vieques, of the island. Great fishing from inshore. But we gotta have good wind because there's a lot of mosquitoes in there. So if not, we'll go someplace else. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter where you go fishing here. You're always gonna catch something. So don't go too far because we're leaving soon. So we finally made it. You can see this is Punta Arena. The west coast, that's Puerto Rico. It's raining like crazy. Beautiful. The water's beautiful. All the rain stays all the way out there. There's my cousin getting ready. Just got here about a couple of minutes ago, so gonna go ahead and start getting ready. This is what I grew up with. Right here. This is what I grew up. This is how I learned how to do some fishing back here in Vieques. So when I moved to the state, I went into using the fishing rod, and now I came back and I said I want to give it a try. So excuse myself if I make mistakes, but it's been a while. Give it a try, see how it works. I guess you're wondering why the stick. Well, easy. The stick, it keeps the line off from the waves and also from the seaweed. And then what I do, I leave it standing, so whenever it gets hit, fish gets hooked, then what happens is it's gonna either tip or start rolling. It's gonna tip, so I know there's something in there and I could keep an eye on it. It's better that way. Also, the whole issue with the stick, it's an old trick, you know. that I learned from my uncle. So when I used to come here fishing with him, he used to come here a lot. So like I said, that's what mainly the stick will do. But hey, it works. Cousin, he used it. You know, whenever you have a rod, then we use the piece of tube. There's he getting ready. You can see he has his rod on the tube. A lot of people, even in the state, they do that. So that's just to keep the rod high and, like I said, the line out of the sea when you're fishing from the shoreline.